Hi beautiful, it's me Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you. Today's a Cheap Monday video, so I am using the new Soda Pop palettes. I did a purple look on live last week, but today I went more neutral glam and the lips have a pop of color as well as my under eye right here. So if you want to see how this end of summertime fine look, because it's literally like Labor Day, you guys, it's crazy. And if you want to see this look, then just keep watching, okay? Alright, so we're going to start out with some foundation. I primed my face already with the CoverGirl primer. This is the CoverGirl Skin Smoothing Primer. And I'm going to do foundation now. This is the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to just use like Morphe sponge to apply this. So applying the foundation. I'm going to blend this in. Don't worry, it looks crazy at first, but trust me, it's going to warm up to my skin. It's going to look real good. This shade is Warm Coconut, I believe. I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Concealer in dark, or deep, sorry. And I like this stuff. It's super full cover. And it's affordable. What I don't like about it is the shade range. There's not that many shades, and there definitely needs to be more. Alright, so let's just add some of this in. Gotta hide the stash, okay? Gotta hide the stash. I keep forgetting to go to get like a wax. I've never gotten a wax before on like my mustache area. It's not super dark. My hair is very, very fine everywhere. Like my hair in general is very fine. So it's not as like prominent. I feel like it doesn't show up as much, but I can see it when I look real close in the mirror, especially when my 5X mirror in the bathroom. So I need to try doing the wax. I usually use one of the straight razors and kind of just shave off my mustache area and also like the sides of my face. And then I have some like random hairs that grow in, like maybe like 5 or 6 of them total that just kind of grow in randomly and like right under here and like here somewhere. So I usually just pluck those out or shave them down. I try not to pluck them because I find that it does leave scarring. So I feel like shaving them down is the best method, although it doesn't last as long as plucking. If I'm in a desperate situation and I can't find my razor, then I will pluck them. But I really don't like to because I notice it leaves dark spots. It is so hot. So we're just going to use the Rimmel powder and we're going to set under the eye.
Wait, is it July a faraway day?
July? Callie, we're in... What is this? We're in September. July passed like 2 months ago.
Oh.
Yeah. Why are you asking?
Because I don't know when's Christmas.
Oh, Christmas. Okay, so we're close to Christmas. We have 4 more months until Christmas. Christmas is in December.
Oh, I like when we get presents from Christmas. Because when we get presents, I like when we get presents.
Oh, yeah? Me too. Except I don't get that many presents anymore because I'm a grown-up.
I give you toys.
You give me some of your toys?
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice. It's so kind.
Because when you're going to work, I'll buy you grown-up stuff.
Oh my gosh, what are you going to get me?
An eye patch.
An eye patch?
Yes.
What are you going to be, a pirate? An eye patch or an iPad?
iPad.
Oh, an iPad, okay.
Another iPad, so you can have a different iPad.
Oh, so you could take my iPad.
Yes.
Oh, I see where you're going. Get me the iPad, the big one. This is a big iPad. I want that one.
What?
Yeah, it's really big.
What is that one?
It's like this big. I think it's called iPad Pro.
I'll buy you iPad Pro if I can find one.
You're so silly. Is that a vitamin?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So next we're going to use some bronzer or contour. Let's do some contouring. I'm going to use the Makeup Geek contour shade down here.
This vitamin tastes like orange.
Does it really? I'm going to use Makeup Geek's Deal Breaker contour shade right here. This is a really nice contour shade. Yeah, it's like really nice and contoury. My forehead a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna use this CoverGirl bronzer, which I do love, and you know, everybody loves it. I'm actually going somewhere today. Last time I did my makeup, it was 1 o'clock in the morning and I wasn't going nowhere. I was going to bed. I'm going to do a little bit of blush. I'm going to use this, Toasted Almond blush from Black Radiance, which it looks really pretty. I love this color. So, I'm going to start out with the palette. Alright, so my last look I used the purple shades. So this time, I think I'm going to use some of the orangey shades. I'm going to start out with Crushin'. And I'm just going to see where I go from there. So I'm going to start off with Crushin', which is this shade right here. I'm just going to start applying this into my crease. I was actually really impressed with this eyeshadow palette when I used it last week, because it's just so much more pigmented than the Lemonade palette that they launched last year or this year. I'm going to take Cola Float now, which is this shade right here. I'm going to take the shade Sugar High and put that right on my lid. So I'm going to add a little bit of Soda Fizz to that, which is more of a sparkly shade. I'm going to use my finger for that one. I'm just going to press it in. This is such a pretty color. I'm going to add a little bit of tonic into my inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to use some of Cherry on top. I'm going to use the Rimmel Wonderfully Real Mascara, which I actually really love this mascara a lot. It is wonderfully real. Okay. I love it. For highlight, I'm going to use the Molten Topaz highlight from Maybelline, which I love. This one really complements my skin tone. It just looks so gorgeous, you know, I love it. For my lips, I'm first going to take NYX liner in Cold Brew. Cold Brew. For my lips, I don't know what color I want to do. I felt like I want to go bold, but then I don't. But then I do.
Mommy, how about dark green?
Dark green. I don't have any dark green colors. I have this color, actually. This is called Just Saying. It's kind of like a pinky. I like this color. It's more smoked out a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of that in here. So I got these lashes from Ardell yesterday at Sally's, and they're in the style 700. You guys, I really like them. They're so natural looking, but they're so extra. So this is the entire look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's really easy, but I just love how just glam it is. It's like simple, neutral E, because you know there's a pop of color here, a pop of color down there, but it's still like pretty neutral kind of. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.